Okay, today I'm back to give you guys another video. Today I will be unboxing the isYoung car vacuum. Sit down, relax, and enjoy my show. Let's start my intro. Okay, let's go ahead and start the show. So today we are unboxing the isYoung car vacuum. Now, this one on Amazon, as you can see, is going for $19.99. Now, this is a portable handheld car vacuum. And as you can see, we have all the accessories that come with the vacuum there. Now we're gonna open it up. So let's go ahead and do that now. Okay, so let's go ahead and see what do we get with this vacuum. So we get this very decently sized extension for the vacuum. We also get an extra filter, which I think that's pretty nice that they added an extra filter. We do get this brush extension. As you can see there, it's a brush. That's pretty nice. Then we get this different extension here, which you can use it to go where the seats are, kind of get through different places. So that's a nice little extension as well. Then we do get the vacuum. We also get a smaller extension there. As you can see there, it's a smaller one. And then we also get a very nice carrying bag. That's pretty cool. For $20, you get pretty much all you need. Okay, let me show you what the vacuum looks like. And as you can see there, it has like this rubber material. Very cool. And then right there you do have your on and off switch. And then inside there is already a filter. And then this is your connection. And this one you connect it inside your car where the cigarette lighter connector goes. So that's where you connect this. And I think this button is to open so you can throw all the trash out. So that's what this button is for. So I think this is a very nice looking vacuum. It looks good. Hopefully it works as good as it does the job, as good as it looks, because it looks really good. So that was my unboxing. Stay tuned and I'll be back with the review. Okay, so we're back, and after about a week of testing this car vacuum, I'm very confident that I can give you guys a good review. So today we are reviewing the isYoung car vacuum. Now, this one on Amazon at the moment, they have it for $19.99. Now, I picked it up because I was looking for something not too expensive on Amazon. But I needed something for my car. And this one had pretty good reviews, but is it worth the money? Let's take a look. Okay, moving on to the accessories. Now, this vacuum comes with a good amount of accessories that I was actually happy that it came with. It came with some extra extensions, like this one here. It's a smaller one, and then we have this longer one, so you can get, in in different places. You can also vacuum your seats with this one, which I thought was very nice. And then we do have this longer one. Now this one was okay. It wasn't it's this one, you can use it to get a longer fit, as you can see there. So this one will connect to any of these other accessories, which I thought was good, but it kind of feels a little bit cheap. So just keep that in mind. And then my favorite of the adapters was this connection that has a brush. Now this one works good for the carpets, so you can get the dust out and then just vacuum them. And then we do also get another filter. Now this filter was the one that I was using at first, but I changed it up because I needed to shoot some B-roll so the vacuum can look nice and clean. But this is the one that I was using at first. And then finally, we get this nice carrying bag, which I thought it's not the nicest bag, but I thought it was nice that they threw it in for $20. I mean, I don't think you can beat that price for all the stuff that they gave us. So for the accessories, I'm gonna give them thumbs up. Now let's move on to the hardware. Okay, moving on to the hardware. Now we're gonna start here with the connector, the power connector. Now this one will connect into your outlet in your car, and that's how you get power on this vacuum. Now there's an LED light that turns on right there, and you either have to have the key turned on to the on position or completely on. And if you have it off and the light is off, you would not get any power. Just keep that in mind. Also, the cable is very nice and long, and it feels good. It doesn't feel like cheap or anything. So I was happy with that. Now, the hardware itself, it has a nice soft material, and it has a nice weight to it, so it doesn't feel cheap. So I'm kind of surprised how this company is selling this vacuum for $20, because it doesn't really feel cheap. It doesn't feel like the most expensive vacuum that I've ever used, but it really doesn't feel really cheap. So I do like that. And then it has a slider button here, on and off, so that's pretty nice. And then this button here is to open the vacuum. Now it has your filter in there. All you have to do is just pull it out, and you can throw your trash away and clean your filter. So that's very cool. And this part here, this plastic, also doesn't feel cheap. It feels actually pretty good. So it doesn't feel like they use really cheap plastic. So that's pretty much what I want to say. I do like the quality of the vacuum. I'm gonna show you guys some testing in a little bit. The little motor is not bad as well. You do have to go a couple times to make sure you clean your carpet good, but it's not bad, especially for the price. I'm actually very surprised how good it was. So for the hardware, I'm actually gonna give them thumbs up. I thought it was good. So let's move on now to some testing. Okay, now I'm gonna show you how to connect your power supply power of the vacuum to the power outlet on your car. So if you connect this like that and the key is not on the on position, it will not turn on. So make sure the key is either on the on position or is turned on. And I'm gonna show you that right now. I'm gonna turn on the key to the on position, and as you can see, the light turned on. So that's how you connect your vacuum's power to the outlet in your car. Okay, so I'm gonna try out the vacuum. As you can see there, the vacuum is right there, and we're gonna do this front passenger area, and we're just gonna, I'm using the brush attachment, so I think this is gonna work out good. So let me show you how it goes. So as you can see there, very nice. Looks pretty good. It actually works. It's not the most powerful vacuum, but you know, after using it, it works. And as you can see, there's a lot of dust and trash, dirt inside. So it did pick up a lot of stuff, as you can see there. Very good. All right, let's move on. Okay, so what are my final thoughts? So in the beginning of the review, I asked you guys, is this worth the money? And in my opinion, for $20, I think it's a bargain. I think you're getting a very nice vacuum here. Now, there's a lot of things that I do like. Now, if my only complaint I would say is that I wish the motor was just a tad more powerful. But other than that, I think it's a great vacuum. You get tons of accessories. You get a carrying bag. You get an extra filter. And it just looks good as well. So I'm going to recommend it to you guys. I think $20 is a bargain in my opinion. I bought a cheapo vacuum for like $25 at like Ross, I think, and it was a really cheap that I ended up throwing away. This one for 20 bucks, it's nice. I already vacuumed 2 of my cars and it works great. I think it's nice. It looks good. I like the whole stealth look. And like I said, 2 filters, all the extra accessories, and the carrying bag is great. I think they did a good job in doing this little vacuum. So I'm gonna give them thumbs up. That was my unboxing and my review. Check out all my videos, subscribe, thumbs up, and I'll see you guys next time.